In today's video, I'm going to teach you Introducing Shopify Finance. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, click the search bar at the top. In the search field, type the term that's highlighted in your interface so you can jump straight to the finance tools without browsing through menus. In the results, choose the option labeled as Created by Shopify to make sure you're opening the official, built-in report rather than an app view. When the Finances Summary opens, set the scope of your report. Open the channel filter and select all channels so your data includes your online store, POS, and any other sales channels you use. Then open the date picker and choose Today to focus on the current day's activity. With those filters applied, click Print. If you need a clean copy to share or file, your browser's print dialog will let you save a PDF or send it to a printer. Next, use the guided highlights within the page. Click each highlighted section to expand details, read definitions, and see how figures are calculated. These highlights act like a tour, drawing your attention to the most important cards and line items. As you click through, pause on any tooltips that appear. They often clarify what's included or excluded from totals and help you understand how numbers roll up into the summary. Keep clicking each highlighted area in sequence until you've reviewed the entire page. If you've been navigating around or orders are coming in while you're viewing the report, apply the Today filter again to refresh the numbers with the most recent data. If you step away or navigate elsewhere, return to the Finances Summary. At this point, your page is configured and ready for quick daily checks. Before you finish, confirm two things for consistency. The channel filter is set to All Channels, and the date range is Today. Keeping these selections the same each time ensures you're comparing like for like and making decisions using the freshest data. If your store operates across multiple channels or regions, this consistency helps you spot real trends rather than changes caused by different filters. A quick tip as you work: analytics can take a short moment to update right after a sale or refund, so if something looks off, refresh and check again. And remember, printing or saving a PDF preserves exactly what you see on screen, including your chosen filters, which is great for handoffs and audits. That's it. You've navigated, filtered, reviewed the highlights, refreshed